Welcome to the cooking show. I'm Angie.
And I'm Cadence.
And today we're making chicken wing dip.
You gotta explain what you're gonna do.
So we're gonna set the bowl down. Yep.
We're gonna get the. Oh, pause.
Me.
Okay.
Bye.
Ready? Oh. Okay.
Okay, now we have to mash this up. Oh, can I have a fork? Thank you. So you're gonna take your spatula thing and you're just gonna mash this, only if it's stuck together, cause like, yeah, that's not really good for chicken wing dip. Oh, this is not even cute.
Okay, she's mashing that. I'm gonna open this.
What are you opening?
Cream cheese.
Ooh, yummy!
Buddy, this won't open.
Okay, that should be enough.
What are you doing?
Oh,
We're opening cream cheese.
You're struggling.
So my favorite food is chicken wings and
What flavor?
spicy, like medium.
Oh wait.
There you go.
Girl,
Oh.
what the heck? Bro, what the heck?
Okay. What's the next thing? You do it.
Try and
Now we're
get-
gonna stir. You have to stir it.
My
going
day's
great.
going really good. We're actually gonna be so cool on Thursday.
We're gonna do 1.5 cups of ranch, cause we need it to be spicy.
So I'm doing basketball in like a week, and I'm very super duper excited.
I want some of this.
Don't take a shot of it. Where do you normally eat chicken wing dip?
My house?
Me too, girl. Me too.
There's no specific place.
Nope.
What does it make you think of?
Can I pour some
My
hot sauce in one
boyfriend.
of these and drink it? Auntie, do you want some hot sauce?
Yes. Because who do you think I am? Ah! Sorry. Excuse me.
Shot of hot sauce.
Drink it. I'm putting a cup of hot sauce in. I put a cup of hot sauce in.
And now I'm gonna measure and put the ranch in after she puts the hot sauce in.
Wait. Leave the cheese directly in the way of pouring it in there. You can do 2 3/4 cups. You can do 2 3/4 cups.
Okay.
The ranch is farting.
Okay, I think that's enough ranch.
Okay, pour it in.
No, I think we need
So
just.
how much ranch did you?
When did we first start cooking chicken wing dip?
Just in general.
Oh,
Oh.
I started first cooking when I would make ramen
You're
at
okay.
6 years old.
Ramen?
Yeah.
You like, what type of ramen do you like?
The spicy kind or chicken kind.
Spicy?
And if you like beef, you're weird.
Yeah, for real. Beef is nasty.
What about shrimp?
Shrimp is good.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
No. I used to cook brownies with my grandma. Why is the cream cheese not like?
You gotta stir it, guys.
We are stirring it. The cream cheese is like stuck
I'm about to
together.
take a fork and just.
Yeah. You can crush it with a fork, that's fine.
There's no forks in here.
Use a knife. Use this knife. Wait, this one's already dirty.
Nope, I'm about
This
to
one's
use a
already
spoon. Nope.
Okay.
Do not play with me.
Put it up. Well, they're gonna cut it up.
Hold on. Hold this. So who's ever wait, what was I gonna say? Oh, so me and Cadence and Jazzy, we have the best plans for Thursday, guys.
Yeah.
Yeah. We're going to the game. Chat, I think I stirred it.
Okay, we're gonna add more hot sauce. Ooh, ooh, ooh. Okay, okay. Okay, we're adding the whole bottle of hot sauce. This is gonna be some liquidy chicken wing dip.
Send it to me, I'll try.
Oh shoot.
Okay, sounds good.
Okay, we're adding more ranch. Okay, that's good. Okay, she's gonna pour it in. And I'm gonna open the cheese.
Okay, this is.
Ooh, it smells weird. Here, put that back. Cheese. We're gonna add a lot of
Cadence,
cheese.
no, let me do this part. I'm cool.
Pause.
Don't just put the whole bag.
No, because we need it for some.
Okay, we need to put it in after like
You mean
15 minutes. We have to put it in after 15 minutes too.
I know, but wait.
So don't. Okay.
Okay.
It's gonna be some cheesy chicken wing dip. But it tastes very good.
Mmm.
Yum yum.
I need a little bit more right there. Well, girl, this is. No.
Okay, now we need to put this in the oven.
Put it in. It's not hot yet, so just put it in. Okay. Off to the side.
What if I drop it?
This right here is very good.
Whoa, chat.
Oh, I can see it.
Oh, you can see the cream cheese.
That's not even cute.
It's fine. It smells good.
Why do you
Take-
I
Huh?
think he wants to go on a date with me or something.
Why do you stir it? Because we're gonna stir it and then we're gonna add more cheese.
remember, you're basically making this for someone who doesn't know.
And then I'm gonna add more cheese.
Where do I put this?
Just set it up next to
Dawn Dish Soap, sponsor me.
So, guys, we have Tostito scoops. We will be eating these with our chicken wing dip. And
Why is this spraying everywhere?
Hi, guys. Today we're gonna be trying our chicken wing dip.
Okay. We have to eat it at the same time. Ready?
3,
3,
3, 2, 1.
It's good. It's not spicy enough still. Then we added the whole bottle of hot sauce. It's still good. Just try it. It's good. It's good. Do you want to?
No, I hate chicken wings. You have to look at the camera.
It's good.
2, 1.
Thanks for watching.
Come back to the next episode.
Thank you.
Perfect. Now it is.
You know me.
And all my millions, you know that they ain't even got it. Influence, it isn't just a hobby.
3, 2, 1. Mic check!